Hello my friends, and welcome to my celebration of 15,000 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. No pouring today, but I did promise that when I reached 15,000 subscribers I would be doing a big giveaway. So that's what the purpose of today's video is. I'm going to show you the pieces I will be mailing to you, my faithful subscribers. You can live anywhere in the world and I'll send it to you. Now I think it would be interesting if on your comments you leave down below, and that's how you become eligible, be a subscriber, give a like, and leave a comment. If you would tell me what country you're from, because as you can imagine, mailing 15 pieces all over the world is going to be a bit of a cost to me. So I do reserve the right to, if you are one from out of the United States, to send you one of the lighter weight pieces. So with that being said, let me get to showing you what I'm giving away. In no particular order, I'm giving away this jiggle pour I did. And I may or may not have time to get them varnished, but you all know how to do that. If you don't, check out my video on how to varnish. and that you can do. That's one. There's this sweet little piece. It's gently embellished with these little roses. I did do a video on how to do this, and I think it's a really sweet little piece. I'm surprised it's never sold, but anyway, there you go. These are not my best works, my friends. Of course, those I cannot just give away, but they're not bad. Here's another one. This is a fun celebration of some kind. Not yet varnished. It'll really come to life when it is. I'm going to give away a set of my cards. Got Mr. Dapper here, one of the flamenco dancers, giraffe, and oh, this one has a penguin in it. That guy just appeared as I poured. It was so fun. This is just a close-up of the large. I know I'm zoomed out because I'll just do this, because I want to show you a big one that I'm going to be giving away. And I've got another set of cards. Elephant, grapes, rose, and tangerine trio. That's another set. I'm giving away a copy of my book. 2 copies. This is without the cover. And it's a book of my embellished pieces with the titles and nice full color pictures. So I've got 2 of those. I've got a classic ring and ribbon pour. And I think most of these I do have videos on. If you're interested, you can dig through my, maybe I'll just leave them out for you, something for you to look at. This is a fun one. It was kind of a mistake. I don't know that I recall if I did a video on this, but I think it came out kind of fun. I just kept playing with it, and that's what I ended up with. I'm going to give away one of my scarves. I have some clothing made by Les Galeristes and this one was based on one of the paintings I made called, I think I named it Teal Delight, and that's the back side. Here we go. It's nice and long and lightweight. That's that. I'm giving away Candyland. Kind of a Christmas painting. That one is varnished and wired and ready for hanging. I've got several rounds here. Let's see. This one I think is kind of fun. I did varnish this one. That one. I know I showed you that. I showed you this one, I think, right? That's what I started with. I've got 3 more pieces. I'm giving away the ballerinas. This was a demo I did on painting these. I did the swipe long ago. I have a video on that. And then I did the ballerinas, an embellishment video. I showed you how to paint those. And oh no, two more. This is a fun one. I don't think I named this one. This was done with Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paints. I haven't varnished it. This is the way it dried, but it's kind of a fun piece. And then last but not least, I should probably clear the deck here because it's gonna be hard to show. Now this one is a biggie. This is probably like the grand prize. I'm giving away one of my Fiesta paintings. I think you can, well, you can almost see the whole thing in there. She's varnished and wired and ready for hanging. It's a big one. It's, what is this? I don't know what size it is. Maybe a 18 by 24, does it say? I don't know, but it's big, but I do have a box for it, so she will go to one of you. So, again, let me just repeat the rules, if you will. All you have to do is be a subscriber, give me a like, leave a comment, and at the end of your comment, if you would put your country, it would be helpful and interesting to see where you all are from. And if you'll leave your comments by March 1st, that's about a week and a half from now, that gives me time to varnish and box and get things ready to send. And then we'll have a drawing, a live drawing on March 2nd, Saturday. And we'll take it from there. Okay, my friends, thank you so much again for all your support over the few years I've had my channel and the time we have left together. So, oh, that sounded bad. But I can't re-record this whole thing because of one stupid thing I said. If you know me, you know I say a lot of stupid things. So I'm going to stop talking now. Thank you again and see you next time.